Hello everybody, I'm doing a video on replacing the drive belt on a Cadet LTX 1040. And I had watched a couple of videos on how to do it, and they all kind of struggled a little bit. And first off, I want to say that I removed the deck, I removed the pulley, and I removed the body. And that sounds like a lot, but it wasn't too bad. First off, there was 3 bolts on this side, 2 bolts on that side. These handle grips pulled off. I removed the pedals on both sides. There was 2 bolts here. Those bolts were underneath the sticker right there in the floor. I also removed the seat just to not have it flopping around. And from there, I removed this pulley, which gave me access to this belt. Taking this belt off gives you quick access to that belt. Underneath, show you a little bit, you have to remove, take and move out of the way, this bracket. The center bolt here, yeah, I used an electric impact. It's just my little 1/4 inch, I won't say it's a DeWalt. That pulley slides right off. The belt goes right over the top of the shaft right there. You just pull it down and over, slide it back, and it was honestly not terrible at all. I'm waiting until Wednesday to get my new belts in. The only reason I removed that tire is because it's kind of flat. I'm going to take it and get it replaced while I'm waiting for belts. So, waiting for the new belts to come in, kind of leaving the old ones in place until the new ones get here, so I know how the routing went. Sometimes that gets confusing. And I hope you all have a really great day. Thank you.